everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a guild in Discord. Let's get started. Now guilds are a relatively new feature and are still in testing, which means not all servers have access to them yet. Some users might see the option while others won't. To find out if your server supports guilds, go to the server settings. If your server is eligible, you'll see a new option called Guild Settings. From there, you can start customizing your guild by selecting options like games, playlist, traits, topics, descriptions, guild badge and guild profile. You can personalize these settings however you like. Once you're done setting everything up, you'll need to join the guild application to make it official. After that, members who join your guild will have a special guild badge next to their name, and it will also appear when they visit other servers. And that's it. Now you've learnt how to create a guild on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.